Practically every business out there is using video, but turns out creating high-quality video is harder than it looks. It breaks the bank, takes up hours of your day, and you're always left feeling like there's so much more to learn in your video editing software. How isn't there a fix for that already? We thought the same thing. That's why we built Create, a recording and editing software that gives you the power to easily make, edit, and distribute videos across the web.
Create was developed with entrepreneurs and agencies in mind, helping you to turn ideas and concepts into high-quality video content and sales material.
You can quickly and easily build out video training courses and sell them on top of e-platforms such as Udemy and Coursera. With one click, record your screen, webcam, and audio. Use our timeline editor to make cuts, add media, and completely customize your video just the way you want. Then when you're ready, publish your video in your preferred resolution, right up to 4K.
Even if you don't have a background in video, Create allows you to produce large amounts of content in no time at all. Whether it's a video course, sales videos, social videos, even ads. Let's say you had this idea to create a training product that teaches your customers how to design a website. Suddenly you realize, okay, I need to launch with 5 to 10 training videos, a promotional video for the product, and a video ad for social media. Usually, you get stuck going back and forth between multiple apps to get all of this done.
But now you won't, because with Create, all you need is just one. Try Create and make videos the smarter way at vidello.com/create.